Hi guys, this is Emmy from Dreamon22, and today, wow, it's been a while, I don't know, like 2 years, something like that. Anyway, I kind of wanted to get back to doing things on this channel, and this came in. This is my second ever Wizarding Trunk box. Big Harry Potter fan. So, let's open it, because why not? Oh yeah, the crunching noise is my dog. She's laying on my bed. Hi! You coming here? Woof! Hi. But yeah, she's chewing on a bone, and we are on my bed, and it's like 11 o'clock at night because of that, and I just dyed my hair, so it's all wet. Anyway, get back on track. Yeah, she's chewing on a bone on my leg now. Anyway, you can follow Ava's Instagram journey on Adventures of Ava. I can tag it in the description. Anyway, we are going to get into this box, and I'm pretty sure the theme is Magical Alley. So let's open it. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I am never taking these off. They are Luna Spectre specs. They are called Spy Spectators. They've got this thing. But these are adorable. I don't think they're the same color as they were in the movies, but I'm more of a book fan anyway. But these are adorable. Oh my god, I love them. They're never coming off now. Okay, we're wearing them like that. So, what else is in here? So, this looks to be a green dot, like it's a Green Dots key. Ooh, it's like metal. It's not plastic. It's not janky. It's beautiful. It's Vault 688. That's gorgeous. Really like that. Okay, and then what's this? Scriptorium, quality quills, and impeccable inks. I'm guessing this is a notebook. Ooh, I really like those pages. They're like worn. I don't know if I'll actually write in this, but it's definitely getting displayed. Okay. And then it's the Beastarium's Rat Tonic. It's from Alchemy for the Skin. Okay. Intended use. For use on minor rashes, cuts, and abrasions. What does it smell like? If I can get it open. Let's see if I can get it open. Orange. Very strong smell of orange. Okay. So, and now we've got Jumping Jelly Beans. I love the box. Probably not going to eat the jelly beans, but display. 100% display. So, and a pin. Okay. It's Worldly Wizard Wares. I'm guessing it's Madame Malkin's, but you know. This is cute too. It's a double back, very sturdy pin. Okay, I just realized, why am I not wearing my Ravenclaw shirt or like any Hogwarts shirt? What is wrong with me? You are noisy. Sorry. Hey baby. And now there's a car going by. Why is there a car going by? It's sleep, people. I live like in the middle of nowhere and there's cars. Hi. Anyway, box. Love boxes. Oh, ooh, that looks pretty. Amor Eternium. Love potion. I am guessing, oh, it's double-sided. Beautifully Bewitched Love and Beauty Potions. I'm guessing this is based on Amortentia. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Amortentia. I'm packaging this back up as I go because I'm in the middle of swapping bedrooms. My new room's getting redone right now, so I don't really have anything on display. I might put it up, some stuff up, but I don't really know. I'm gonna leave this room like really soon, hopefully. But anyway, another box. What's in here? Ew, it's got styrofoam. I hate styrofoam, but you know, good for packaging purposes. sound it makes is awful. Ooh. Ugh. Sound sucks. Anyway. Ooh. It's a stack of cauldrons. Probably for... Why can't I remember? Ava. Hi. She's laying right in front of the camera. Anyway. Why can't I remember what the name of the store is? I'm like such... I feel like a fake fan right now. What is the name? Leave a comment down below if you remember. Maybe I'll put it in the description or like on screen or something, because it's bothering me why I do not know this name. And since I'm recording on my phone, I can't look it up. Ugh. Anyway. Let's put this back. Okay. And then... let's see what's in here. It's heavy. Pure Blood Apothecary, all-purpose magical mess remover hand soap. This is stainless steel. Stainless steel. Really cute. Probably put lotion in here because I don't want to put it in my bathroom. I share a bathroom with my brother. He doesn't get my cool stuff. No. Anyway. He's a Harry Potter fan too, but no. It'll clash with the bathroom theme. Okay, lots of Schniggly Wigglies. And then this is the book cover. This one fits Quidditch to the Ages, I think. I also have the one that fits Tales of Beetle and the Bard, so. Woo! Ava! Ew, I hate trying to get them out of these tubes. Oh my god, Ava. Sorry about that. Whoop. Sorry about that, guys. And then you just saw my moving mess, because, oh my god, I am so messy right now. Sorry. Hi. Did you want to be in the video? Hi. You're a show hog, aren't you? You want to come sit on my lap? You want to help me open the box? Yeah? Yeah? Mm-hmm. I love you. I love you, so cute. Okay. Let's see. Do not chew on the book cover. Oh, gold foil. Oh. Dwelling with Dragons. Oh my god, I know who this is based off of. It says it's by, doesn't say who it's by, but that smile says it all. And the fact the book pun, wordplay, whatever, it's based off Gilderoy Lockhart. And you know, as much as I don't like him, this book looks so cool. Oh look! Another person started following you, Ava! I'll put that the rest of the way in later. Anyway, okay, so let's see. Hey, maybe if we don't go over too long, I can open the other box, which is holding this up. But you know, why not, right? I can just show you what was in it, even though I know what's in it. Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, so we've got just a couple of prints left, and it looks like that's it. Okay, I'm gonna set this to the side. Okay, so we've got this. It's Magical Pets. That is really cute. Oh, it's got a, what's this? Okay, so it says, what about a 70-foot snake? I'm good. For the slime lovers. Warning, hippogriffs are not indoor pets. Buy with caution. I love that. And it's a postcard. Never mailing it. This is going on the wall. Some of this, as much as I love having Harry Potter things in my room, I'm probably going to post my room renovation for my new room once it's good. And for our, like, den area, which is where we game, it's going to be my brother and my like area. It's got our computers and stuff, so we're gonna make that into our Harry Potter room, but a lot of it's going in my room. I might share some of it. Anyway, Ezekiel's Quality Wands, so based off Ollivander's. It's got stuff in it. It's fully filled. That's cool. So it's got different wands. I'll like put them up to the screen because I'm not going to read them all. Wait, Hippogriff Feather, Lavender, Onyx Shard. These are all very unique cores. Wow. That's cool. Kind of wish we got a wand, but this is pretty cool. Okay. And then another Magical Creatures A to Z page. Love these. So cute. So it's got familiars, it's reversed, and flesh-eating slugs. And then, oh, that is so pretty. This is getting framed. It's got the different shops. It's an overview. This is cool. And then, I'm guessing this is the, yep, it's a cheat sheet. The Vial Incantanum, I can't pronounce anything today. Poisons and Curious Curiosities. My glass runneth quickly. And then it's got the cheat sheet. So, we've got, on here, we've got the Dwelling with Dragons book cover, okay. Vault Key, Stack of Vintage Cauldrons, Flesh-Eating Slugs and Familiars Creature page, Rat Tonic, Jumping Jelly Beans, Scriptorium Journal, Shop Sign, Pin, Wand Shop Catalog, Love Potion, Magical Shop Storefront, Spy Spectres, Magical Pet Store Postcard, and Magical Mess Remover. Okay, this box, so cool. I'm wondering what your guys' favorite item is, but mine are these. I'm going to wear them everywhere. I'm going to look so cool. I'm going to wear them to dance. I'm going to wear them to the store. I'm wearing them everywhere. And why are you chewing on my box? We don't chew on boxes. We've got the bone. See? We got the bone. We got a bone. She's still young. She's 18 weeks old, so she's still a little bit teethy. But this video, I guess, has come to a close. I guess I could show you what's in the other box. But if you just want to see what was in this box, you've already watched videos on the other box, whatever, just stop watching. But give me a second, I gotta get the stuff put back in here so I can use it to hold, or just a couple of things in here, so I can use it to hold up my phone. Oh my, are you, okay, so, something just fell. Anyway, so in here, I don't have the mug in here, but it was a, play with your bone. Anyway, it came with a mug, but I've been using the mug because it's just so big. It's like one of the like campfire mugs, so it's like 16 ounces. It's based off Sirius's Azkaban number, and it's like black speckled. Anyway, you can look it up. It's so cool, but I've been drinking out of it, and it's in my kitchen, and I don't want to walk that far. Anyway, and then we've got this beautiful print. Golden egg pin and flying key. The sorting candle, which I haven't lit yet. Maybe I'll like put it on Ava's Instagram or something. Because I could. I can let Ava watch it. She likes stuff like this. She likes anything. She watches TV with me. She like totally interested in it. I'm watching Grey's Anatomy right now. She like stares at the screen, watches it with me. It's insane. Anyway, I ramble a lot. We've got the DA dummy. When I first opened it, I thought it was a chess piece, and I was like, oh wait, this is not a chess piece. What am I thinking? And then we got the Devil's Snare. Packaged by Pure Blood Apothecary. And then the moleskin pouch that Hagrid gave to Harry. And then this glass shard of the two-way mirror with Aberforth Dumbledore's eye in it. Yeah, I'm going through this box a little bit quicker. But, you know, since I've already seen it, I'm not, you know, I'm not going to fake my emotions. I've already seen it, but I just wanted to show you guys. Anyway, the Toad's Exam. Basically, owls. The magical creatures A to Z on basilisks and boggarts. I'll save this for last because this is my favorite thing. Anyway, that's the cheat sheet. And then we just got the book cover. Potions. This one, I might like it a little bit more, but this one fits. Tales of Beetle the Bard. Or is it Tales of Beetle and the Bard? I'm pretty sure it's Beetle. I don't know. Anyway. And then we'll do my absolute favorite item. I am not going to shove this in here right now. She knocked down my backdrop. It's a good thing you're cute. I love her. Anyway, this is gorgeous. Definitely my favorite item in this box. It's a Basilisk Fang. Still got the venom. Looks like it just stabbed the diary with that black ink on the tip. Absolutely gorgeous. But, yeah, since I've been summoned, before someone accios me to the other end of the house, I guess this is the end of the video. I'll try to post more. It's dance season, so maybe I can film a competition vlog if you'd like that. Or something, because my next competition's May, 3rd week of May, I think. But yeah, I guess this is Dream on 22 saying see you later. Don't be a hater, leave a comment and subscribe. Okay, bye.